Our planet is in danger, and we are the cause. We are destroying habitats, polluting the air, and altering the climate, with devastating consequences for animals and future generations. Protect our planet for future generations. Reduce emissions, support sustainable practices, and take action to save the earth now.
Annually, 3.20 billion tons of waste is being produced from every home worldwide. Today, the world is suffering and the world is dying. Land restoration, wildlife conservation, and the flora and fauna are undergoing a drastic change, and we need conservation methods. Today, with the message of acting now, because today is more important than ever. Let us come along and see what we as individuals and what we as the youth of today, divided by our bodies but united by one common mission, can achieve the goal of act now, act today, conserving our land, our mother earth.
Collected the garbage and now we need to dispose it.
This is the fifth bag in our row, and we have already collected 5 kgs of waste on the first location, and this is the remaining 2 kilos that we have collected at this location. Now we will be going on a third location to complete a 20 kilos goal of today.
So guys, as you can see, we've collected a lot of garbage from one side. So you can imagine the heap of garbage that is being generated at every particular site each day. So we should be aware of the garbage that is around us, and we are a part of a community, so we need to understand the importance of cleanliness.
We started the day with 7 young students with a purpose to clean some part of our city and to try to make a difference. In this journey, we encountered lots of setbacks and lots of challenges. First, being what will others feel about us when we go on the streets to clean? Second, will just a group of 7 people be able to make a difference? Today, at our last occasion, we defy the norms and we break the standards. That 7 people with 14 hands can do any job that they take on to do. And today we have cleaned a lot of amount of waste. We are successfully able to clean 10 locations, collecting about 20 kilos of waste. Not just that, we also took on the responsibility to plant more than 20 saplings and trees in those 10 locations. Now we are going on the streets to spread the pamphlets about this environment. We end this day with one saying, act now. Together we are powerful. And this Environment Day, let us make a difference. Happy World's Environment Day to the United Nations and to the world. From this group of 7 people, thank you.